Shuttered industrial metal gate hinges are some of the toughest in the world. This shuttered BadAss Self-Closing Hinge set contains one self-closing hinge and one non-self-closing hinge. The hinges suit a variety of heavy-duty gate applications. It's recommended the self-closing model be mounted to the top of the gate. Set the gate where it can be conveniently worked on. Take the self-closing hinge and align it to the centre of the gate frame before welding along one side. Now weld the opposite side. Ensure the bottom hinge is accurately aligned with the top hinge before repeating the welding process for this hinge. Take the gate and level it into position on the fence post, being sure to maintain vertical alignment. Weld the top and bottom hinges down one side to secure the alignment, then weld the opposite sides. To adjust the self-closing tension, remove the set screw with the hex tool and use another tool to rotate the spring-loaded adjuster as required. Secure the screw back into place. To adjust horizontal alignment, loosen the bottom nut and slide the gate as required for fine adjustment. Lock the nut back into place. Repeat this process for the bottom hinge. Your shuttered mounted gate is now ready for use.